Hello, my name is Destan Scott. I've been a teacher and tutor for over 10 years now, and I would love to get the chance to work with Modulo. I believe that my experiences, personality, and drive for helping students would really make me an excellent addition to your team. I've worked with students as young as 5 and as old as 40. I've worked with a wide variety of students, including people who are former soldiers, people who have ADHD and autism, and other challenges like that. And I believe that I would be very well prepared to help your organization help students. Since I can remember, I've always had a passion for education and helping people overcome academic challenges. I've helped students with exams such as the SAT and MCAT and others. When I'm not working as a tutor, I love playing sports, nerding out on anime and other sort of fringe activities, cooking, and also being a part of plays. I hope I get the chance to work with your organization, and thank you very much.